Okay, let's try to solve this. So, this question, positive numbers, x and y, have properties that their product of is 10, so x times y equals 10, and the quantity of x increased by y% is equal to the quantity of y increased by 2x%. Find the value of 100 times x squared plus y squared. So this is just a system of equations, and we have to... This isn't that bad. It's just a system of equations. Oh, it's equal to... Get off of my screen. Thank you. Okay. So, x increased by y%. Percent, it's for every 100. So times y over 100. No, actually I lied. If y is 2, I will make it smaller. So it needs to be 100 plus y over 100 is equal to y times 100 plus 2x over 100. Because, like, let's say, for example, it said is increased by 100%, that'd just be, if you didn't have the 100 plus, it'd just be times 100 over 100 times 1, it's the same thing. But we know that times 100% means 2, or not times 100%. We know that increase by 100% means double. So, it'd have to be 100 plus 100 over 100, 200 over 100, or 2. Anyways, so, what should I do? Here I'll multiply everything by 100, so 100x times 100 plus y is equal to 100y times 100 plus 2x. Okay. Now, okay, I get it. Now I can distribute. So we have 10,000 x, or I'll do 100 squared x, plus 100 xy, which we know to be 10, is equal to 100 squared y plus 200 xy. Okay. Now, oh, look at that. Now I'll just do 100 squared x minus 100 squared y. Now, plus 10,000, or plus 1,000, because this is 10. Replacing that in 10, that's a 10,000. Or just 1,000, sorry. And then here, this is also 10, so this is 2,000, so subtracting that actually gets us negative 1,000 equals 0. Okay. Huh. So, now, how do I get this thing? I need to get x times x somehow, but here I'm not getting x times x. Here, maybe x squared y squared is equal to 100. Can I do something from that? What if I put that in here? So I have 100 x cubed y squared minus y cubed x minus 100 y cubed x squared minus 1,000, or is equal to 1,000, I guess. And then it's 100. Oh, this is minus, which is really annoying, but it's fine. I'll just keep it like this for a minute. A 100 times no. No, this isn't gonna work. Oh, I can divide by 100. Because there's 100 in both of these, minus 10. But I have x minus y, not x plus y, and it's not squared either. Ooh. If I have x minus, no. I was gonna multiply this by x plus y, but that'd give me x squared plus, or x squared minus y squared, not x squared plus y squared. Wait, why am I not solving for x or y? Why don't I just do that? So we have x minus y is equal to, we add 10 on both sides, then we divide by 100, so we get 1/10. X is equal to y plus 1/10. And then put that in here. So we have y times y plus 1/10 is equal to 10. So y squared plus y times 1/10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then quadratic formula, y equals negative 1/10 plus or minus the square root of 1/100 minus, because that's 1/10 squared, for AC. So minus or plus 40 all over 2. So this is equal to negative 1/10 plus or minus the square root of this should be 4,000. So 4,001/100 all over 2. So this would be negative 1/10 plus or minus 1/110 square root of 4,001. Because you could take the 1/100 out and square root it all over 2. So this goes to negative 1/20 plus or minus the square, or plus or minus 1/20 square root of 4,001. I can't tell if that's a square number. Let's see, what is 50 squared? Is 2,500. So maybe 70? It's 49. So maybe 60. It's 3,6. So it's in between 70 and 60, so I'll try 65 is 25. It's gonna be above, because 600, yeah, it's gonna be like 4.2. So we're gonna go with 63 is 9, 1, 8, 1, 8, and 3, 6, 0, 0. So this is gonna be 9, 6, 1, 3, 3. Oh, I did that wrong. Yeah. So maybe 64? 16, 240, 1, 6, 2, it'd be 480 if it's times 2, 480, and 1, 2, 3, which should give us 6, 9, 6. Oh, what did I just do there? Should be 3, 6, 0, 0. And this won't be it anyways, because it ends in a 6. So this is not a square number, but that's fine. Just how do I know which one it is? I mean, it can be either, is what this is saying, right? Oh, it's positive. So it has to be plus. Right. Let's see, did I do anything wrong? Okay. Now. Okay. So if y is this makes no sense. This can't be how you're supposed to do it. Because I'm thinking if this is y, then y squared will be a really weird number. Because it's this squared minus this, or this thing squared, which will still have a square root in it, and I'm not supposed to have a square root in it, I don't think. I don't know. Let's find x. X is just... X is just 10 divided by this. So if we have y is equal to 1/20th square root of 4001 minus 120, or minus 1/20, x is equal to 10 divided by this. So 10 times the reciprocal of this. 10 times 20 over root 4001 minus 20. Right? No, I lied. Because this is not one term. Times 1 over 20. Wait, maybe I was right. Let's see. No, okay. So then, the 10 times 20 over square root 4001 minus 1. Okay. So 100 times, no, I'm not going to do this, because this isn't right. I'm getting nowhere. Let's see what the actual answer is and how I got it. In some of these questions like this, we're asked you to find like this very specific quantity, like this squared plus this squared. It will naturally arise when doing some kind of formula, but I can't see how this will arise when doing any kind of formula. Unless it's like the distance between the points or something. Let me check. The answer is 2001. Writing the description of the system of equations is what I did, yes. So it gives you, yeah, xy equals 10, and yeah, that's what I got. It's the percentages, yes. Distributing both sides of the second equation, substituting xy equals 10. X plus 1/10 equals y plus 1/5. Or x minus y equals 1/10. Is that what I got? X minus y equals 1/10? Yes. The desired quantity can easily be obtained by squaring both sides. Oh, so close. So what you can do is do x squared, if you square both sides, x squared plus 2xy minus 2xy, sorry, plus y squared is equal to 1 over 100, yeah, 1 over 100. And then this is x plus y, so, and then this is minus 20, because this is 10, right? So x squared plus y squared minus 20 is equal to 1 over 100. So then 100 times x squared plus y squared minus 2000 is equal to 1. So this thing is equal to 2001, and that's the answer. I didn't get it. This is what it should have been, but I didn't get it. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys. Oh yeah, see, that was that weird, by squaring this you can get that thing, but I couldn't figure that out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.